This is a video to help my Algebra 1 class with systems word problems. The homework tonight, there's 3 word problems, page 413, numbers 29 to 31. I'd like to help you with problem number 30 that talks about treadmills. It says that you exercise on a treadmill for 1.5 hours. That should be 0.5. You jogged at 4 miles per hour and then sprinted at 6 miles per hour. It says the treadmill monitor says that you ran for a total of 7 miles. Now, the idea here is to put together two equations from the word problem and then to solve those equations using the skills you've learned in class. Well, looking at this problem, you need to set up some variables. You can say, well, let x equal the amount of time jogging total amount of time that we were jogging. And we can say, well, now let y equal the total amount of time that we were then sprinting or running. Well, with that in mind, I know that the time that I jogged plus the time that I ran or sprinted is 1.5 hours. My other equation then says, well, I jogged at 4 miles per hour. 4 miles per hour times x hours, that's the time jogged, plus 6 miles per hour times the time that I sprinted, or y, should give me the total number of miles that I ran. Or total number of miles that I was traveled on the treadmill. We can then take what we've learned in class and we can either use substitution or we can use elimination, or graphing for that matter, to solve this problem. Let's go ahead and use substitution. X is equal to 1.5 minus y. I'm going to take that and plug it in my other equation where I see x. That says 4 times 1.5 minus y plus 6y is equal to 7. 4 times 1.5 is 6. Now my decimal disappeared. Combine some like terms. 6 minus 4y is positive 2y. Subtract 6. So y is 1/2. So it looks like overall I ran for 1/2 of an hour. Now I take that and plug it back into my other equation, and it said x plus y equals 1.5. Well, subtract 1/2, x is 1. So that means I jogged for 1 hour and I ran for half an hour. There's our solution.